Here's a new 2020 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, rear wheel drive, streaming audio, driver memory seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.